Dear students, today I am going to start from question number 7. You have to add 13 upon 11 x cube minus 12 upon 7 x square minus 3 plus 5 by 7 x square minus 1 upon 11 x cube minus 12 upon 5 plus 10 upon 3x plus 5 by 11 x cube plus 2 by 5 minus 1 by 3x. So first you say take terms of x cube. So 13 upon 11 x cube here, and here it is 1 upon 11 x cube. So 13 upon 11 x cube minus 1 upon 11 x cube. And one more is here 5 by 11 x square. So plus 5 by 11 x 5 by 11 x cube. So now 13 upon 11 x cube minus 1 upon 11 x cube plus 5 by 11 x cube. Coefficient of x cube you have taken. Now you take coefficient of x square. That is minus 12 by 7 x square. Again plus 5 by 7 x square. Again that's all. Coefficient of x squares are these two only. Okay. Then coefficient of x. Coefficient of x you see 10 by 3x, 10 by 3x, and then 1 by 3x, 1 by 3x, 10 by 3x minus 1 by 3x, and then numbers minus 3. Then minus 12 by 5, then plus 2 by 5. So you arrange these terms. Now 13 upon 11 minus 1 upon 11. 13 minus 1, that is 12. 12 upon 11 plus 5 upon 11. 12 plus 5 is 17 upon 11 x cube. So after simplifying all, this one 13 minus 1, that is 12, plus 5, that is 17 upon 11 x cube. Then you see these two terms, minus 12 plus 5, that is minus 7, minus 7x square upon 7. So 7 and 7 will cancel. Now these two terms again, 10 by 3x minus 1 by 3. 10 minus 1, that is 9. 9 by 3x. Then minus 3, minus 12 by 5 plus 2 by 5. Minus 12 by 5 plus 2 by 5. Minus 12 plus 2, that is minus 10 by 5. Now it is 17x cube upon 11. This 7 will be cancelled with this 7. You will get x square. So 17x cube upon 11 minus x square. Plus 3 3 are 9. This is 3x. Then minus 3 and 5 2 are 10 minus 2. So 17x cube upon 11 minus x square plus 3x minus 3 minus 2, that is minus 5. So this is your answer. Okay. Now question number 8. You have to add this 8 minus 3x cube plus 5x power 4. 7x cube minus 5x power 4 plus 8x. 7 minus 16x power 4 minus 9x cube. 2x power 5 minus 6x minus 2. You have to add. Now similarly, you take like terms, minus 3x cube and then plus 7x cube, then minus 9x cube at a time. Take like terms. Then here 5x power 4 minus 5x power 4 minus 16x power 4. So 5x power 4 minus 5x power 4 minus 16x power 4. Then 2x power 5, there is no term like this 2x power 5 plus 8x minus 6x, 8x minus 6x, then plus 7 minus 2, plus 7 minus 2. So arrange the terms like this. Now it is 8, it is 7 minus 3, 7 minus 3 means 4, 4x cube minus 9x cube, 4 minus 9, 4 minus 9 is minus 5. So minus 5x cube. Now if 5x power 4 minus 5x power 4 will cancel, you will get only 16x power 4 plus 2x power 5. 8x minus 6x, that is 2x. 7 minus 2, that is 5. Now arrange the terms. You see 8 plus 5, 8 plus 5 is 13. So you start from the highest term, 2x power 5, then minus 16x power 4, then minus 5x cube, then 2x, then plus 13. Okay, you can arrange like this. So this is your answer. Now question number 9. Subtract 8x plus 10 and 2x plus 4 you have to subtract. Subtract means minus. So 8x minus 2x, 8 minus 2 is 6x. 8 minus 2 is 6 and x. So 8x minus 2x is 6x. 10 minus 4, 10 minus 4 is 6. So 6x plus 6. Similarly here also 7r minus 11s minus 2r plus 4s. Minus you have to subtract. Minus you have to subtract. So due to that minus and this minus, it will be plus. So 7r plus 2r. 7 plus 2 will become 9. And here minus 11 and subtract, you have to subtract here. So plus will become minus. So minus 11 minus 4, that is minus 15. So 9r minus 15s. Here also 5a plus 3b and you have to subtract. So 5 minus 6, that is minus 1, minus 1a. 3b minus minus, that is plus. So 3b plus 1b, that is 4b. So in this way also you can write 5a plus 3b in one bracket. You have to subtract. Subtract the sign of subtraction. Then minus, you see 6a minus b. It will be more clear there. 5a plus 3b and open the bracket, it will become minus 6a, minus and minus will be plus. So 5a minus 6a, that is minus a, plus 3b plus b, that is 4b. So in this way also you can do this. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day.